Welcome back, you all. It's your girl once again, and today I've got something that is going to pique your financial curiosity. It's all about the secrets to making money trading with this secret website I just got to know about. The name of this website has been on everyone's lips in the trading world recently. If you're looking for ways to supercharge your trading game, this is the video you don't want to miss. I've been diving deep into the company, exploring its futures and analyzing its potential. And let me tell you, what I've discovered is nothing short of remarkable. In this video, I'm going to unveil the strategies, the techniques, and tools that can help you turn your trading dreams into a profitable reality, all with the power of the secret website. So if you're ready, make sure to stick around till the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to stay updated with the latest trading insight and also every other video I'll be uploading on my channel
on how to make money online.
hereafter.
And just so you know, this channel is just for informational purposes only, and I am not a financial advisor. So viewers are encouraged to do their own personal research before committing their funds. Alright, so with all that being said, let's explore this company, starting with the registration and also showing you how to deposit, and after that showing you a live trade and how to withdraw, and also how to make more money making use of this platform. Alright, so these are the apps that will be needed. You can download them using the links in the description of this video. Alright, so taking the first link in the description of this video will take you to this place where you have to do your registration. You sign up using your email and your password, and then you can see the referral code down there. You click on where it says you should verify that you are not a robot. Then once you click that, you're going to click register. So after that, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. So all you have to do is to go to your email, get it, and then click create account. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to come back here to log into my details already saved to Google, confirm they are not a robot again, and click login. So that's basically how to register to this platform. I'm just going to click on close. You can decide to read the welcome message. Alright, so I have successfully registered and I'm in my account right now. So the next step now is to bind your account with the Google Authenticator app for security purposes. Alright, so I click on those three horizontal lines I have here, and where it says Google Authenticator, I tap on it. You can skip this, it's not necessary. So I'm just going to click on next. If you have downloaded the app already, all you just have to do is to click on next. Okay, so you go to your Google Authenticator app, click on where it says you enter a setup key. It's actually going to be blank, it's not going to show it. So you just come here, copy the 16-digit code they have here, okay, and copy. Most of you already know how to do this, okay, how to bind your Google Authenticator app. It's going to be blank because of security purpose. So yeah, I'm just basically doing the necessary, put my code, put the name, and then submit. Then afterwards they will give me a code that I'm going to paste to successfully bind it to the platform. That's my Google Authenticator app. So I copied the 6-digit code that they gave to me, and I came back here, scroll up where it says I should put the verification code, click there and then confirm, and you can see here it has been successfully bind. So that's all about binding your Toark platform with your Toark account with Google Authenticator. So now the next step now is for you to know how to deposit to this platform. Alright, so I'll just head to my Binance wallet for me to make the deposits, because that's where I'll be needing. I'll have the money that I'm going to be depositing. But if you don't have, you can buy from what's it called, Binance. Or if you don't know how to do this, send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to help you carry out the deposit process, okay? I'm sending the dollars to you. So for now, I already have my dollars in my Binance account, so I'm going to deposit. I'm going to go to where it says wallet on my Toark one account, then see where it says deposit. This time I want to deposit, and the minimum amount to deposit is $5. So I'm going to be depositing $10, okay? So I'm just going to click on USDT, then click on pay now. So I can actually pay through Tron TRX, that's TRX, or BEP20 USDT. So for this one, I'm going to be making use of BEP20 USDT. So I'm just going to click on it. Alright, so after I must have clicked on BEP20, it's going to bring me to this place. Important tips I need to know. This is very important for you guys to read. It's concerning the amount. So you should be transferring the exact amount that you placed there. So like I want to transfer $10 now. It's $10 I'm going to transfer. So here I'm copying my BEP20 address from the Toark app. I went back to my Binance here, going to my wallet. I clicked on withdraw, okay, because I want to be transferring money to a USDT account. So I clicked on USDT, then I'm selecting the crypto network in which I want to transfer it to. So here I'm going to basically paste the address I was given from Toark. All right, select the network. It is BNB Smart Chain. Like I said, BEP20 is what I'm transferring to. Okay, so after I select that, I click on confirm. Now I'm going to put the amount I want to transfer. Okay, so Binance told me they're going to be charging a network fee of, I think, 0.29 cents. So I had to like put an amount that, what's it called, it is going to equate to $10 I'll be receiving on the Toark app. As you can see here, I'm just testing it, so I must be getting exact $10 to my Toark platform. That's why I'm doing all this. So immediately I got it to $10, I just clicked on withdrawal, because here it already says 10.29. They'll be charging me 29 cents for this, then I'll be receiving $10 into my Toark account. So I clicked on withdrawal. After that, I click on confirm. All right, I'm going to confirm it this right now. So alright, so it's asking for security verification. I will just go to my authenticator app to get the verification. You can use your Google Authenticator app to get the verification of your Binance. I believe you must have done this already before now. Okay, so I'm gonna paste it and then submit. So when that is done, it says withdrawal processing. I think after a minute or two, this was successfully transferred to my Toark account. So what I did was to go back to my Toark account and refresh the page, and I realized that the money has been paid. That's after Binance sent a message that your withdrawal is successful. As you can see here, the money has been successfully deposited into my account, and I have $10 as my balance. Alright, so immediately you've done the recharge, all you need to do is to chat the customer service on Telegram to send you your recharge bonus, because they'll be giving you 10% recharge bonus according to the amount you deposited to the platform. So you can see the chat icon over here, click on it, and then chat them up on Telegram that you just successfully recharged, and what do you call it, you were not given bonus. Alright, so they will take it on the step you need to follow. So after that has been done, that's the end of your deposit, then you can go ahead to trade. Alright, so note, before you trade, here's one important thing you need to do. You need to join the Toark official group, where they send signals for you to follow to trade and for you to yield profits. Okay, so it's very important you join the group first. This is part of the tools I said I was going to share with you for you to have a better trading experience. Okay, join their group on Telegram. For you to join their group on Telegram, you can just take the link to their Telegram group in the description or the comment section of this video. Okay, so join the Toark signals group for you to be able to get signals which you're going to trade with and yield profits. Okay, so that's very important. So you trade using the signals they post on the group. Whenever they post them, you go ahead and trade. So I'm going to show you a live trade right now following the signals that I was given. I'm going to show you 2 live trade attempts right now so you can see how this is done. Okay, before you get started. Okay, so when this icon that says invest is green, it's a sign that you should invest, but when it is in hash, it's a sign that you should not invest. Okay, so when you want to invest, you're going to just click on invest and don't just play the signals according to the signal. As you can see here now, it's hash, is the color is in hash, that's why I can't invest. So I have to wait for the time and the signal I'm being given, okay, in order for me to follow the signal to play according to what I am being given. Alright, so this is one of the signals I was actually being given, and what this actually means is that I should click on 1M light. That's when the investment period is written this number that they give to me here and ends with 940, and then the investment option I'll play even and just 1 times, and then the minimum, the amount I'm going to be placing as the trade will be $5. I'm going to show you live now how I implemented this in another signal I got. Okay, and one thing you need to notice that immediately after you get this signal, it must not exceed 5 minutes before you implement it, because after 5 minutes the trading signal is no longer active. So make sure you implement it immediately you're being given the signal. So as you can see here, I've gotten another signal and I want to go and implement it live now on my Toark platform. You can see this, so I had to click on 1M light, I had to click on invest, I had to click on even, and I have to use $5 once and then click on invest. That was what was in my signal, so I just followed it now, and then I wait for it to count down to red. So when it starts counting down to red, I'll just patiently wait for it to end to see whether I got a profit or a loss. Alright, you can see it's counting down. I'm doing this live so you can see it for yourself. You can see the profit side, it says pending. So let's see if I'm going to make a profit or I'm going to lose. Alright, as you can see here, I made a profit. I followed the signal by using $5 to place the trade. Now it says $9.75 for you to see that I have already made a profit of $4.75 for that successful trade. Alright, so I repeated it again for the second time following the next signal I got. Alright, and I also made another profit. Looking at my balance now, you see that it is totally different from how I started. I started with just $11, and as you can see here now, it says $20.50, and I'm going to withdraw this now to show you. Alright, so on to the withdrawal phase. I'm about to withdraw my earnings from this platform. I'm going to click on where I have wallet, then click on where I have withdraw instead of clicking on the first one which says deposit. I'm going to click on withdraw. Okay, so the minimum amount for you to withdraw is $5, and any amount lesser than $20 attracts $1 withdrawal fee, but any amount above $20 attracts 3% fee. So as you can see here, I went to copy my wallet from Binance, my BNB BEP20 wallet. Let me quickly show you how to do that
Alright,
first.
so I'm on my Binance account now. So all I'm gonna do now is to click on where I have wallet at the end, then click on where I have bot or funding, anyone, and let me just use funding. Okay, so the money will be directly transferred to my what's it called? My funding wallet. So I'm gonna click on where I have deposits. Okay, the first one here, I'm gonna click on deposit. Alright. So and what currency do I want to deposit? I'm going to be depositing crypto USDT. Okay, so I'm not gonna choose whether I want BNB Smart Chain because that's the only channel I can use when join. I'll click on BNB Smart Chain, then I can see my wallet here address. My wallet address is here. I'll just copy it. As you can see, the network is BNB Smart Chain BEP20. So and spot wallets. I thought I selected funding wallet. Anyways, it's the same thing. So I'm going to click on this and then go back to my Toark account where it says wallet address, then bind it, confirm, and that's just basically all I need to do.
Alright, so I'm back to the Toark withdrawal wallet. So I want to withdraw 20 because I could not withdraw in decimal, so I can only withdraw 20.50. So I'm just going to be withdrawing 20 alone, and they'll be taking a network fee of 3%. So once my wallet has been confirmed, and if I've put the amount I want to withdraw, just like I said, minimum withdrawal amount is $5. So I'm going to be withdrawing 20, so you can see it. So they said they'll be giving me 19.4 USDT, as you can see there. Okay, so I'm just going to click on withdraw, and say I should confirm my address. I confirmed it, and it said the withdrawal application is successful. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this now so you guys see that the money is no longer going to be in the wallet. Okay, as you can see, the $20 has left there and 50 cents is still there. So I'm not going to wait to receive the alert. So withdrawal is within 24 hours. I got mine, I think, few minutes after I withdraw. Let's say maximum 5-10 minutes. I got mine transferred to my Binance. You can see the notification here. They gave me $19 instead of 19 point something. Anyways, so I'm just going to show you now live in my Binance account the what's it called, notification, and the amount in my wallet already added to the amount I had there before. So this is my Binance right now, and I'm going to click on my notification. Okay, you can see my balance has already added anyways, but I'm going to click my notification. You can see here where it says deposit successful. Okay, and I just want to show you the direct notification so you can see it very clearly. Okay, see now, you've deposited $19 successfully. So that's all about withdrawal. Last but not the least, I'm going to explain the referral system of Toark. Okay, you guys can engage in referral because there's a lot of money for you to earn when it comes to referral. You click on where you have bonus. Okay, it's going to take you to this place, and you can see your unique referral link, which you can copy and share to friends for them to join the platform and trade. Okay, so any valid invitation you get 3 point something, I think $3.43 for each valid invitation you get. As maybe the person successfully recharges and then probably just recharge alone, they will trade. So you get $3.43. And if you are able to invite 100 invitees, okay, 100 people, you'll be making yourself $343, which you can withdraw ASAP into your wallet. Guys, let me know what you think about this platform. Drop comments in the comment section. If you have any question at all, you can drop it in the comment section as well. And if you've watched up to this moment, thank you for watching. Do not hesitate to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and anticipate on other amazing videos I'll be bringing to your doorstep on how to make money online.